Hi everyone. Do you know the longest English word without a vowel? The longest English word without a vowel is rhythm. So what are the vowels? I'm sure that you all are aware with the vowel A, E, I, O, U. So the longest word without a vowel in English is rhythm. Rhythm का मतलब ताल. Every day in our online classes, a student is supposed to send a word of the day and a phrase of the day in the WhatsApp group which we have created for them. In this WhatsApp group, when they send a word, when they send a phrase of the day, in this way we keep them motivated to discover new words, to know how to use a word in their conversation. So in this video I am going to tell you what is the word of the day and phrase of the day. So like in the group they have sent a word of the day. So today the word they have sent, it is mitigate. The meaning of this word is किसी चीज़ को घटाना, कम करना, mitigate. So for example, if I say a sentence, so mitigate sentence, a right sentence would be a good information on any product can mitigate the problem. अगर हमें किसी प्रोडक्ट के ऊपर अच्छी इन्फॉर्मेशन हो तो उससे क्या प्रॉब्लम हो सकती है वो उसकी समस्या को कम कर देगा. सो गुड इन्फॉर्मेशन ऑन द प्रोडक्ट कैन मिटिगेट the problems. For example, if I say one more sentence, so that would be a sentence that let's say seeing and being in the nature can mitigate someone's pain. So अगर कोई जैसे आजकल बहुत डिप्रेशन में है, प्रॉब्लम में है, so if the person starts going to park, if he is going to nature, so that can mitigate his pain. So mitigate का मतलब कम करना, किसी चीज़ को कम करना, reduce करना. reduce भी एक इसका सिनोनिम है. Now let's talk about phrase of the day. So what is phrase of the day today? The phrase of the day is cold feet. Yes, the phrase of the day is cold feet. In general, if you see, cold feet का मतलब पैर ठंडे होना. Phrase of the day they have written, it's sent by a student Gagan. So it means to feel anxious. Anxious का मतलब होता है परेशान, चिंतित होना. To feel anxious, to be scared. Scared मतलब भयभीत होना, डरना. एंड लास्ट वन इज़ फील टिमिड अबाउट समथिंग. टिमिड का एक मतलब डरपोक या फिर वही नर्वस महसूस करना. सो फील कोल्ड फीट अगर आप ये वर्ड यूज़ करते हैं तो फॉर एग्जाम्पल आई कैन गिव सेंटेंस. द सेंटेंस वुड बी Many students when they enter examination hall they have cold feet. It means बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट जैसे एग्जामिनेशन हॉल में जाते हैं उनको डर महसूस होता है. For example, one more sentence. Ram got cold feet when he was called for an interview. राम को नर्वसनेस हो गई, परेशान हो गया मतलब घबरा गया जब उसे इंटरव्यू के लिए बुलाया गया. So Ram got cold feet when he was called for an interview. So these are the word of the days and phrase of the days. At the end of the video I just want to tell you the best way to improve English is learn grammar. Along with grammar, learn vocabulary, word meanings, and then most importantly make sure that every day you converse with someone. किसी के साथ आप बातचीत करें. अगर ये तीनों चीज़ें आप रोज़ करते हैं, रोज़ ग्रामर पे आप ध्यान देते हैं, आप नए वर्ड सीखते हैं एंड यू आर टॉकिंग टू समवन, sure enough your English will improve. So in case you are interested in all these things, the things which I have spoken, so please do contact on the given numbers. We do provide grammar classes, vocabulary classes, and at the same time we have some classes in which we work on only conversation. Apply for one trial class, take a trial class, and we do teach on a very nominal fees. Right now we are only charging 1000 rupee per month, so it's very normal. So try once. Thank you so much, and please don't forget to like and subscribe this channel. Thank you so much. Take care.